Elephants, White Stripes, and Spots. I am Lord of the Day. Good God, that is loud. By the way, the reason I didn't upload anything for like 3 days is because I was way out of service. Oh, and yesterday's video was supposed to go up before noon. I started uploading it at 9 in the morning. That's right. It took over 13 hours. Skulls, werewolves, iron bars. Oh, and it's also the middle of the day, so there's that. Oh. And that is the sound of a dragon. What in the heck is he even chasing? Heck! Well, that was fun. I knew it. There it is. Where did I put my teleporter? Guess the only way to find out is to die. Unless I put it in here, which is doubtful. I did not put it in here. So the only way to find my heckin' teleporter is to die. Unless I put it downstairs. I did not. Goodbye, cool world. That's adorable. It's not entirely fenced in. Oh shit. Why are there fish in there? What the fuck? You're sitting through this ad with me. Alright, there we go. My teleporter was over here the entire fucking time. Oh, convenient. You know what? I'm gonna keep the skulls. Oh, that's right. Okay then. Still spawning flaming werewolves. And I can't hit them. What the fuck? Alright, Azrael. Lag. What neck? Okay, you're at full health. That's good. You sold emerald ore. Don't look at me. Don't fucking look at me. Oh my god. I am so disappointed in you. Source of life only spawns at night, so it's night, which means where are the fucking werewolves? Oh no! I'm sorry, I didn't mean to stab you. Why is there just a wall of water here? Like, am I supposed to part it like the Red Sea? Am I Moses now? Where are the deadly things? Come on! That's not even the kind of werewolf I'm looking for! Oh, fuck, again? This sounds fucked up again. Is that really all I'm getting? Wanna get your attention? And get somebody else killed. That was easy. Did he just use my teleport? Is that a thing that happens? Can I teleport people? Oh, this is boring. I know I got something out of that. I'm not sure what. But... okay. I was about to say come at me, bro, but there's no bro to come at me. I would take a fucking T-Rex right now. Snake, come here. I got more skulls. How do I get skulls? How do I get human skulls? Out of snakes? Like, I could understand if I'm killing like the dark mage or something, but snakes! Is everything on the canopy? Oh, for fuck's sake. Why did that do so much damage to me? Why did I turn there? I don't even watch Rick and Morty. Fuck. That would have been something to kill. Guess you'll have to do. I do not have the muscle to take on you. I got a heck of a ticket. Lead me to something dangerous. Good God! Oh, and it's silent now, too. Heck. They are not taking on a black werewolf. Oh, I need to go in here. I like this carpet. I'm stealing it. Wait. Well. Now there's something to fight out here. What is it? It's nothing. I gotta know what this is. Forgotten Stone Ante. There is just a pit below this fire. Is it supposed to be like a chimney? Because it's not a chimney, it's a pit. This is boring. That did not hurt. Fucking pansy. Oh, hey. This is nice. Yes, it's very nice. Oh, that's beautiful. What a lovely home you have. Can I set it on fire? My heckin' snoot. Heck off, Paula Deen. Real good heckin' sniffle. I'm dying on the inside here, guys. Probably dying on the outside here, too. I'm most likely already dead inside, so... My cat's giving me a weird look for that noise. Some murder. I have no idea why I have hiccups now. Completely devoid of red. Oh boy. Oh boy. I have no idea why I was hiccuping. Well, I guess I still am hiccuping now. There's really no commentary I can give. This is just boring as fuck. I just want to buy weapons! I really have no commentary here. I'm just... Let me stay up. Thank you, Adora. And this was a... Maybe it wasn't. That counted, right? I mean, I gained experience, so... I think I came from over this direction. There we go. Sorry I'm hiccuping so much. I don't know why. Usually I hiccup when I have too much to eat, not when I haven't eaten at all. Either way, it's annoying as fuck, and I'm sick of it. Alright, well, ain't shit happening, so I'm gonna have to leave it here, and see you guys in the next video. Laters.